So hi everyone. So this was my DODUAE purchase before. It's a self-steering mug. I wasn't able to use it before because it needs a the AAA battery to activate it. So it's not chargeable or something like that. It needs just batteries. So I finally was able to purchase a battery. So I was quite pleased with this one. But it says itself there, self-steering mug. So it's the cover. So yeah, you can sip out from it and stuff. And this is the button to activate it. So as well, this one is the lower bottom. You can open this one up. So yeah, it's fun. So here we go. Ooh, look at it spin. It says for itself. It's so fun to look at. Ooh, run! Yahoo! Look at it go, smoking hot. It's actually not what you call this, like ceramic. It's all like plastic. So yeah, let's try and open it. Let's see. Wait a minute. I just put this up. So here it is. I'll open up the bottom part. I'll just cover it first. I'm gonna wash this. Cover. Oh, here. So this is, as you can see, it says there, hand wash only. Do not microwave. It's made in China. It's 720. Pardon the noise. My roommate is my flatmate is trying her new sewing machine she purchased. So the bottom part, as you can see, that's the AAA battery right there. Simple machinery, but it's actually cool. So yeah, let me put it back again. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, the self-steering mug. Let me try it again. Okay. Cool, huh? Very cool.